So a friend of ours had this Palomino pop-up camper and the roof needed repair. So we repaired the roof, and then we also did a little remodel of the inside. This is a quick video of the before and after. Here's what the Palomino looked like beforehand. When we first got this camper, it was the interior was a little darker. We decided to spruce it up. I think the energy inside is a lot better. Oh, there she is.
She's not going to be in the video.
She'll be in the video.
She's not.
Everybody say, "We want Joey. We want Joey." Yeah. Anyway, this is the interior. Well, as you can see, there is definitely some upgrades, most notably the paint, and some of the other upgrades that we did was we put dimmable lighting in there. Put a little stainless on the fridge. Of course, we always have to put the plugs with the USB ports in them. It's a nice little feature. Well, there it is. That is the Palomino pop-up before and after. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Love it if you subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the before and after. Appreciate you watching. Till the next video, we'll see you. Thanks.